welcome back to Powell's Polytunnel. So I thought I'd give you an update on how everything's growing. Maybe start here actually. Door's looking good actually with the green, so I might give it another paint at some point. I was going to probably paint this bit as well, but I've not got around to it. I've got to do something down here, getting a bit of green growing. I'll probably turn it over, but we're not putting anything quite in yet. I think as well, I've been looking at the plastic. I'm going to unclip the frame. I'm going to pull that plastic tight. Now I know what I'm doing. We're going to loosen all that and it will just stop it kind of go up here. It's quite loose down here, and I'm not really going to use this to go out, so I'm going to pull it. Wasn't quite sure before I put anything in. So these hanging baskets are looking good. So they're looking nice, the plants in the new soil. Bazuna's doing well, so just going to let it grow on a little bit further, and then we're going to transplant it out. It will go in the ground. Then what have we got here? So we've got the spinach. This stuff is the tatsoi. Sorry, I'm getting in the way here. So these are tatsoi. These are going to need splitting up actually, but again they'll go for a little bit longer. Spinach has not done well because it's so cold, but it doesn't matter. I might put something else in. Now interestingly, there were two types of garlic. This has done nothing, this one, whereas this one, look, it seems to be quite busy. So we've got some garlic shoots. They're really late actually for garlic, so I'm thinking if anything I might just eat the shoots. We'll see how it goes. The mixed leaf, that's coming along, still really small because it is quite cold at the moment. I'm quite pleased here. This is my coriander. So the coriander's, some of it's germinated just a little bit. We'll see how that goes. We're going to pop them up. Again, I've got to split them apart. Beans wise, not a lot doing. I think I'm growing some grass here. That's doing well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 germinated. To be fair, that's okay, because what I want is not everything to arrive at the same time. So what I'll do is I'll probably put a few more of these guys in again. We'll pop these ones on and have some more. Now clearly as well, a couple of them, so these two I've actually took the lids off. These I'm just keeping the lids on again because it's quite cool, and let them grow a bit more. Now peppers, nothing's happened. Look at that, it's absolutely empty. But the cucumbers, so I put obviously quite a few in. So we had 3 in there and I got 2, and then here I got another 6 and I got 3 germinated. In here I've got another 3. Now probably that's enough. And the sun gold tomatoes, 4 of those is plenty. I don't need that many cucumbers in a way, so I was probably going to give some plants away, but I've got enough. So in a way I could have sown them and doubled them up. That's fine, but keeping them as singles, I now don't have to pot them on until they're ready, so that's quite good. Then what we've got going on here, well, the poppies, so lovely germination. I'm going to let them grow on a bit more. They're going to go out into the garden when they're bigger. And we've got some thyme, so that's growing on nicely. Some little thyme plants, and then these are just wildflower meadow things, and they're going to grow on as well. So still cold in the polytunnel, so I'm going to put some lids on these and we're going to see how it goes. Interestingly, the rat update. So there's my little rat bait box. I've actually used a spade and really tamped it down where the hole was. The hole has come back, interestingly. So the hole was there. I wanted to see if it had come back. It did. So I've got my poison box. Let's just pull this one over if I can reach. So the idea is you've got some bait that they take back into their lair. Let's see, so if we can get this open one-handed. Let's see if I've got it open. Nope, hold on. It's the problem with holding the camera in one hand. There we are. So now looking at it, you can pretty clearly see with the poison. So the way you do it is you put the poison, it sits on this like little metal peg and they rotate, and then they come in and they eat a little bit and they take it back to their lair, and then that just clips on. So the idea is if that hole comes back, I might put it like that actually, if the hole comes back, the little rat is going to find the food and take it back to its lair, and then obviously we're going to get rid of our rat problem. Not that it's been a problem yet because there's nothing in the ground really. I can't see. Let's have a little look under here. Oh, no, nothing here, nothing here. So it's definitely not come back. It's a really good look round. There's no more holes, but let's see how that goes. So there you go. So that's my weekly Polytunnel update. So you can see we're making progress, and we'll be ready for the summer. I thought it might be a bit early for some of them, but they're doing all right, and they're going to get bigger. We'll have a little bit of salad crop to work with for a few weeks. Give it a few weeks, it'll be there. The beans, we should get something out of these guys, and the lettuce. So we'll see. And cucumber wise, you know, 30p for a packet of seed. I've got loads left. That's unbelievable value. So there you go. That's my update.